Thank you very much.
There you go. Chin chin.
Cheers.
So, tell us all about beer tasting, Ben. How does this work? You got this, yeah?
No. We're not actually going to put anything in our mouths today. Maybe a little bit of beer. Okay. Beer tasting, most people associate with tasting the beer.
Yes.
But as you know, the tongue only gives you the sense of sweet, sour, is it umami?
Umami.
And bitter. So you've only got those four tastes through the tongue. Everything else, in relation to tasting beer, comes through the nose.
Through the hooter?
Yeah, through the schnoz. So, because we are beer experts, or beer spurts, which
what now?
is a very special word.
Okay.
I want to explain. It's a portmanteau, which is a French word we use in English to describe two words fused together to make one word. Beer expert, beer spurt.
I'm not convinced that the word spurt is really going to work.
We're self-proclaimed beer spurts, by the way. We don't have any kind of title or anything.
No, that is true.
So, well, let's move on, shall we? The first one is called the drive-by technique. Right? What you're going to do, it's not quite that. It's got nothing to do with living in the hood.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to take your beer and you're going to pass it very quickly below your chin and breathe in.
Below your chin?
Yeah. But you don't want to get too close because you're trying to get the excess aromas that are coming off the beer.
I can smell anything.
Maybe a little bit closer.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah?
Oh,
you get anything?
There's a hint of a lost summer. Yeah.
I'm getting detergent. Smells great. By the way, we should probably say
this is, we are tasting today Tennant's IPA.
Oh, lovely.
Tennant's
Lovely beer,
IPA, yeah.
Scottish.
Yes. I mean, obviously I'm getting a strong hint of beer. Yeah.
The beer, it smells very beery.
Okay.
So you've got the second.
Yeah, the second one is again, what we're doing is clearing the palate of our nostrils and opening the blood vessels by doing the bloodhound test.
The bloodhound, I love
which
the name.
is getting your nose inside and big, deep breaths.
You don't want any beer in your nose, though.
No,
you just want to. So 2 or 3.
Yeah, like you're a dog looking for the scent of a rabbit.
Yeah, that's why it's called the bloodhound technique. I see. See, that one, for me, that one's much more effective. I can.
You can almost taste it, yeah.
It's so close. It's so close.
Yeah, and
we'll do that.
Very hoppy.
Very hoppy.
Lovely.
Right.
Okay, there's the third technique to smelling your beer.
The third technique is an extension of the bloodhound technique, except instead of doing 3 short sniffs, you're going to get your schnoz right in the glass, as close as you can without touching the beer, and you're just going to do one long, deep inhale.
Yeah. I still can't get it in my mouth. I'm trying.
And you're getting all of the aroma off the surface of the beer, but the fourth technique is going to include a little bit more about the rest of the beer. So you can explain that one.
We're gonna put our hand over the top like a tapper, like a Spanish tapper, and we're gonna swirl the beer to open it up a little bit. And now, if you go through this process, when you do that technique, suddenly the whole aroma opens up.
Well, yeah, I definitely recommend going through all 4 of the techniques.
You might look a bit stupid, but it's worth it.
You will get laughed at, but it's the best way to enjoy it.
Absolutely.
And then finally, you get to put it in your mouth.
Yeah. Now, this isn't wine. This isn't wine, okay? Anybody who is seen spitting beer back out is not.
You're putting your life in your own hands. Don't spit beer out.
So yeah, we're here to taste, okay, and that means swallow.
Right, cheers.
That is how you taste beer.
Right, join us next time and we'll be giving you more tips on how to enjoy or not enjoy your beer, as the case may be.
And look out for Bulldogz beer tasting sessions coming to you very soon.
Cheers. The shape of the glass, I've got to mention I'll put mine there too. Right. Yeah, okay. Fine.